Well, guys, on this boat we go into Apple Island to see some turtles and to swim with them.
Okay.
Salamat!
Don't go over there. Here. There's a lot of turtle.
I am on Apple Island with my travel buddy. Yeah?
Hello.
Hello. It's really peaceful, beautiful, tiny island in the middle of the ocean with white sand beach, coral reefs and beautiful view from the mountain. So you can go here. It's about maybe 30 minutes from Dauin. Here is 100% transparent water. You can see everything on the bottom. You can swim with turtles here. So I recommend you to go here maybe for a day or 2-3 days. Here is internet connection, so no problem to stay here longer. Peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Yeah. I really like it. I definitely will come back here again.